morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Well, I was able to pick up a pair of sneakers that dropped back in December. I have it up on the screen, but you can't see the screen. So if you guys want to see which sneaker that I picked up, stay tuned. All right, well, when you guys see this box, you know this is part of the recycle program that Nike's doing, using like a lot of the recycle products from old sneakers and things like that, which I think is really cool concept. Also, in the box is just the shoe, so it's no paper, none of that. They're trying to cut down on their carbon footprint, which I think is pretty cool. So on the box, on the label on the box, it says Women's Dunk High LX Next Nature. Colorway is pearl white sail rattan. This is a women's 9, men's 7.5. I just told you what I got. I picked up a pair of Dunks. Here you go, right here. So there's no paper, so you guys can see the shoe flat out. And let me go ahead and pull them out the box so you guys can see them. There we go. Put that there. Here's the shoes right here so you guys can see them up front. Here's the sides. And then we're going to take it back, go to the other side. And here's the backs of the shoe. And what do we do on this channel? We always show the left shoe because what? We are lefties in this house. Okay, all right. This is the Nike Dunk High Next Nature Pink Oxford. This shoe came out back in December of last year. I wanted this shoe back then, but what was I doing? Oh, December, Christmas. I was getting ready for Christmas. They dropped like on December 8th of last year, actually. Like I said, I have it up on the screen. So the colorway, like I said, is pearl white sail rattan. So your white is going to be on top of the swoosh. Your sail is going to be all the brown parts on the toe, around the back, and underneath the swoosh. And the pearl is going to be this pink that is all the extra bits all around the shoe. If you look at the swoosh is kind of like a sweatshirt material, jersey, that's the word I'm looking for. And then you have your pink laces. The inside of the shoe is lined, and on the inside, on the sole, it says Toasty on the sole. Now, these are part of the, they have a collection, a Toasty collection, I believe. I actually have a pair of Air Force Ones in that collection. I picked those up at the end of last year, and they came in like in January of this year. So I don't know if they count for this year or last year. I guess I'm going to count them as last year's shoes because that's when they were paid for. So the Toasty collection, I believe those are shoes that are all like made for warmth. That's what I'm gonna suspect. On the tongue has the recycled label there on the tongue, and this shoe was really cute. I liked this shoe when I first saw it. Oh, I forgot to show you the bottom, which is in the sail rattan color, and your midsole is going to be in the white. My camera battery's flashing, so I'm going to talk quick and then get to the fashions, and I can change out the battery. But really quick, I like this shoe. I was going to get this shoe when it dropped in December, but Christmas was coming, and this was my first Christmas in my home, so I really wanted to do it up. So, you know what? Let me quit rambling. Let's get to the fashions. Okay, for this first outfit, I went with a dress and cardigan set that I picked up from Target. You guys know the shoe, the Next Nature Dunk Highs. For the bag, I went for my Telfar UGG collab bag, tote bag in, I think this is the medium size. And I just went full toasty winter, like what it says on the inside, shoes toasty. So yeah, I just wanted to do something nice and comfy for today. You can go to work in this, go to brunch, whatever, brunch, lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. In this outfit, just wanted to do something nice and warm because the shoes give me that warm knitted blanket vibes. So I went with a warm sweater, dress, and cardigan vibe with a really warm looking bag. So let's get down on the floor so you guys can see the shoe up close and personal. All right, and here's the shoe up close and personal. As you can see, all the different, to me, it gives me knitted blanket vibes, like I said. The swoosh is in kind of like a jersey material, and everything else gives me like knitted blanket vibes. At the top here on the swoosh, I believe this is their symbol for sustainability, I believe. I can't remember. But yeah, this is the shoe in all its glory. Let's go to the, so you can see the back of the shoe right here. But yeah, it gives me knitted blanket vibes. I don't know, like a quilted blanket vibes. That's what I wanted to say. I remember when the shoes first dropped and I was like, oh, it looks like a pink quilt. And I wanted them, and I finally got them. And these are pretty comfortable. I actually like how comfortable they are. They don't just look comfortable, they feel comfortable for me. So if you guys are able to grab them, go pick them up. Okay, and for this outfit, I pretty much went all pink, different shades of it. The jumpsuit is from Old Navy. The bag is MCM. I picked up from Fashion File sometime, a few years back, I don't remember. Anyway, not even about that. Shoes, of course, are the Nike Dunk Next Nature pink. And I just like to be as comfortable as humanly possible. And this outfit gives you all those comfy vibes. To be honest with you, my jumpsuit feels like pajamas, and I really want another pair. I really want another jumpsuit like this. I need to find one. Anybody knows where a nice comfy jumpsuit? Hit me in the comments. So anyway, but yeah, I just went with the most comfortable things I could put on. That's in pink. And yeah, so let's get back down on the floor one more time and look at the shoe, and then we're going back to past me and we're going to finish the video. All right, and here we are one more time with the shoe up against the pants part of my jumpsuit. Like I said, this gives me a quilted blanket vibe, and I love this shoe. This shoe is really warm. I have on a pair of no-show socks with them, and they are very warm and toasty. Try to see if you guys can see. Right back here is a nice, comfortable, soft lining, so nothing will scratch your ankle. You might be able to do this shoe without socks. I would not do socks. I like to be as warm. I like my feet as warm as possible. So I would not go without socks. Plus, I don't want my shoes to be funky. So I think this shoe, like I said, it doesn't just look warm. They are really, really warm. And the word toasty on the inside, it's correct. These are very toasty. So yeah, but here's the shoe one more time up close so you can see all the variations of pink and the brown color and the white. Let me go to give you the back one more time. And yep, hope you guys enjoyed these. And if, like I said, if you can get your hands on them, go get them. They are worth the investment. Okay, I hope you guys liked all the things I picked out to go with these shoes. These shoes are so cute. You know what? When I first saw them, the first thing I thought was a quilt. They gave me quilted blanket vibes. They kind of give you that vibe. And when they first came out, they did sell out. And thank goodness Nike did a restock here in July for these. So yes, I'm recording this in July. You guys are going to see this until like September or October in the fall time. So that's why you still see me in t-shirts. So just to let y'all know, I have done a lot of recording ahead of time. Anyway, let's look at the shoe one more time. Here it is right here. This is the Nike Dunk High Pink Oxford. And the colorway is Pearl Sail Rattan, I believe. Let me make sure of that. So I had to do a good reach there. Sorry. The colorway is Pearl White Sail Rattan. Pearl White. So The white is here on the top of the swoosh and on the midsole. Your rattan is the toe cap along the top and underneath the swoosh, and your pearl pink is all the other bits and pieces around the sneaker, including the swoosh, which is in like a cotton jersey material. The bottom is also in the rattan color, or sail rattan color, that's what they say. Your strings are in the pink color. On the inside you have a white sock liner with looks like a yellow sole, and in red it says Toasty on the bottom. So yeah, like I said, I really like the shoe. Dunks are not my preferred shoe, as you guys know. I am not a big dunk fan. I only have one other pair of dunks, and that's the Panda. I got those on the first run of the Panda, of the dunk. Were they the first run or the second run? I got them last year, so I'm gonna probably say they're one of the first runs of the Panda dunks, and I think I've taken pictures in them before or whatever. So but yeah, I like dunks, but they have to be a dunk that's real unusual for me to come back. And this little quilted Afghan gave me those feels. Also, what I like about it, the inside is all a like a shearling material on the inside, so to keep your feet nice and toasty. And so that is it for this video. I'm gonna get out of here because I haven't had dinner and I've been pretty bad. I haven't had my dinner yet today. So if you guys have any questions about these sneakers, talk to me below. And if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free to everyone, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about a little bit of everything from sneakers, handbags, music, television, home decor, marketing, whatever's on my mind. It is on that blog. And that is it. I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, talk to me below. Links will be below of these shoes, whatever's available that I can find. And that is it. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, luxury, and lifestyle, and all that fun stuff. Bye.